research is using LiDAR and other GIS methods to map shrinking cities here in the United States, primarily looking at Rust Belt cities.
I look at restoration ecology as a focus and look at dams and road culverts and how they block fish movements through a river network. And I take a modeling approach to it and a data analytics approach to learn where these species are and informing future restoration decisions.
I work with geographic information science to visualize impacts of weather and climate to different geographic areas. So I look at different forecast visualizations and how some forecasts are given verbal support or text support, so which certain method would help make the best informed decision.
Okay, so I'm doing qualitative research and I'm looking at domestic violence fatalities in Oklahoma. I'm using a story map of the fatalities. What I'm looking to find out is how masculinity affects domestic violence in the United States.
And my thesis is looking at anywhere where roads intersect streams. We're basically going around and measuring a bunch of different variables at those locations and trying to determine if, one, that barrier is fragmenting the stream habitat for any aquatic organisms living in that stream, or two, gauging that infrastructure in terms of transportation and public safety and making sure that that road stream crossing is adequate bridge or road culvert.
I'm currently working on researching coyote populations in the state of Oklahoma and also trying to figure out human perceptions of coyotes. This information is important for wildlife managers to be able to not only know coyote numbers, but also to know human perceptions of coyotes so that they can figure out the best management methods and be able to keep coyote populations healthy and maintain healthy ecosystems within the state.
Heavily encourage them to consider geography as a potential discipline to look at. Particularly OU's department, we tend to be very broad. We can incorporate most interests that people have in different subjects. You get a really good mix of what's going on out there, what's going on in the field.
Unique in that we have such a strong mix of faculty members who research different areas that I think that that's a major advantage to our students who really need to explore a variety of methods to do different types of research.
We also have bi-weekly meetings where students are able to present their research and ideas and be able to get constructive criticism from other graduate students and faculty, and it really helps to advance your project and make your project that much stronger.
Most professors I know have an open door policy with their offices and are very available to anyone, whether they're a geography student, whether they're into environmental sustainability. They're excited to talk to you about whatever questions you may have.
When I got here, I really was pleased to find out that I had a department that's interested and invested in seeing me succeed. And I think that really makes a difference.